Hi, today we are going to talk about Brazil venture capital law. We are ready to help you with any kind of needs you need in Brazil. Today we are talking about the essential role of a Brazil venture capital lawyer and why they are critical asset to both startups and investors looking to navigate the growing world of venture deals in Brazil. Brazil is Latin America's largest innovation hub, with a vibrant startup ecosystem, expanding digital infrastructure, and wave of international investors enter in the market. The need for clear strategy and enforceable legal structure has never been greater. That's exactly where a Brazil venture capital lawyer comes in. A venture capital lawyer in Brazil works at the intersection of entrepreneurship, finance and regulation. They help investors deploy capital security. They help startups structure deals that support long-term growth. And they make sure the legal framework supports both innovation and accountability. Let's begin with the core function of a venture capital lawyer deal structure. When a startup and an investor agree on funding, your lawyer transforms that handshake into a legally binding agreement that protects all parties and reflects the real intentions of the deal. This includes drafting and reviewing term sheets, structured equity rounds, preparing subscription agreements and investment contracts, defining preferred shares, liquidation preferences, and dilution clauses and vesting schedules. Manage the capitalization table, ensuring regulatory compliance. In Brazil, most early-stage investments use simple agreements for future equity, convertible notes, or direct equity purchase via SA or LTDA structures. Your venture capital lawyer ensures that these instruments are properly documented and enforceable under Brazilian law, which is not always a give you call foreign templates without legal adaptation. For foreign investors, Brazilian's lawyer handles central bank registration of capital inflows, known as RDE-IED, ensure compliance with foreign exchange rules, and manage remittance of funds out of the country. They also ensure that any investment complies with sector-specific regulations, including those set by CVM, BACEN, or CAD. On the startup side, your lawyer helps you prepare for fundraising with clean corporate governance. This includes creating or updating bylaws or articles of association, regularizing share issuance and partner agreements, auditing labor, tax, and IP risk, manage stock option or phantom equity plans, ensure data protection and tax compliance are investors ready. During due diligence, your venture capital lawyer coordinates the disclosure of documents, resolves red flags, and ensures that no hidden liabilities derail your funding round. They also help you answer investors' concerns with clear legal back, increasing trust and closing speed. In every negotiation, your lawyer plays both protector and strategist. For investors, they ensure capital is protected, risks are mitigated, and government's rights are secured. For startups, they defend founder equity, prevent predatory terms, and structure flexibility for future rounds. A good venture capital lawyer is also essential for post-investment governance. Once the funding is complete, they help with drafting shareholders' agreements that define board rights, voting rules, transfer restrictions, and exit terms, manage investor relations through official corporate mechanisms, ensure the startup complies with reporting obligations, audit rights, and drag along or tag along clauses, preparing for next round financing or M&A opportunities. Now let's talk about exit strategy, whether through secondary sales, acquisition, or IPO. Your lawyer helps structure the exit. For investors, that means realized returns. For startups, it often means full transformation. Your lawyer ensures that all legal pieces are aligned, from share sales to tax implications, to execute a clean and profitable exit. Now, in today's climate, cross-border investment is increasingly common. A Brazil venture capital lawyer with international experience will guide you through treaty protections, jurisdiction clauses, dispute resolutions mechanisms, and double taxation agreements. So your capital or exit is not stuck due to legal misunderstanding. A lawyer in Brazil is also evolving quickly. New rules around crypto open finance, regulatory sandboxes, and foreign participation in strategic sectors are shaping how deals must be structured. Your venture capital lawyer stays ahead of these changes, advising not just on what's legal today, but what's smart for the long term. And how do you choose the right venture capital lawyer in Brazil? Look for someone who is registered with Ordem dos Advogados do Brasil, it's a OAB, it's a bar association here in Brazil, that is experienced in both startup and investor side deals, and are fluent in English and Portuguese, and cross-border capital flows, and also skilled in regulatory tax IP, corporate structure, and also is a strategic advisor, not just a document drafter. To summarize, a Brazil venture capital lawyer is your legal engineering room for high-growth investment. They turn visions into contracts, protect value through governance and structured deals that support both innovation and returns. Whether you invest in Brazil, max unicorn, or build one, don't take chances with legal infrastructure. With the right lawyer, every investment becomes a structured, protected, and scalable opportunity. Here at Alves Jacob Law Firm, we are fully prepared to assist you with your projects in Brazil. We are almost 3 decades of experience with these legal services, and for sure we can help. Please subscribe our channel and also send us an email. Our website is right here on the video. Okay? Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.